So I tried to do this once. I don't know why the camera just stopped. But as you can see, this is on the highest setting, 64 degrees Fahrenheit. We got this for our neighbors. They have an attic area in their cabin that gets really hot. They did us a bunch of favors, so we're doing this. The display on the front, so you can see that if you're in bed or far away. The display up top. There's lighting. So change, you can do high, medium, low, auto. Adjust the temperature settings, dry, cool, and just the fan, and then power off. And as you're powering off, I'll show you what this is again. You heard it on the highest, and there's the fan. It does have a safety catch internally, but I'll show you this once it turns all the way off. The exhaust, I think you could run it without an exhaust. However, it does have window seals, different options for that. So this would be facing outside right here, clip into that, and then this would go on the back of the unit here. Boom. Right there. So again, the other thing is it's pretty heavy, but it does have wheels. So if you were to move it around, you'd be all right. I think it's going to end up being stationary. But as you can see, when it's off, it's a real sleek unit, right? So it's like you power it up, and then it opens to fan, which I think is pretty slick. And again, the display on the front, display on the back is pretty awesome. I'll get some pictures of just straight measurements for you. It's pretty small for the power that it is. I mean, it's kicking cold air out right now, and it's not even exhaust fed, so pretty darn good. Long power cord too.
As you can see, I have this unbelievable air conditioner, and I have it running at 73, fan on auto, and it's next to my dehumidifier. But I have set this up in my workshop, and if you look at the temperature, it's 72. And this thing has been running really, really smooth, really quiet. And it's keeping my workshop really nice and cool. And outside is about, I would say 97 right now. But the humidity is, it's humid outside. And yet in here, it's not bad. Anyhow, so just letting everyone see this. It's running really nice, and I have it set up on a base. So yeah, it's doing a really damn good job. And it's quiet.
So I've had this for about 3 months-ish, and it really works well. I like it. It was very easy to install. It came with a lot of the stuff for the window, which is really tight, aside from me being dirty, but it was really tight and nicely done. And it's on wheels. You can move it a little bit, but in general, you turn it on, it comes out, has a lot of good settings. It's very, it's reasonable. It's not super loud. If I drop it down, you can hear the compressor kick in. That's pretty much as loud as it gets. I mean, I just keep it on the oscillation of the fan and the blade here, and it works really well. I have a pretty large living room here, so it gets it pretty cool. It's not like as powerful as like a 12,000, 4,000, like 14,000 BTU, but it's good enough and a reasonable price, so I'm very happy with it. So, yay!
I got this actually several hours earlier than predicted, which is awesome. But it was very easy to unpack. The bottom foam was relatively hard to get off because I had to do it by myself. Very quick setup, and right now it's on a turbo setting, and so it's cooling about 1,000 square foot living room very quickly. But very easy. Instructions are very good. I recommend it. So it's about 80 degrees outside. This has been running for about an hour. I did not properly install it. I just set it up quickly. I think it's pretty quiet. If you have a window air conditioning unit and you live in New York City, it's pretty quiet. It does have a little hum, but other than that, I think it's pretty good.
This definitely made a big difference.